here again. POV, waiting for the moment. So, ulat na lang ako for the awarding kay damo sila awarding kay Gina. So, ang major awards nila. So, dugay, manuglas 8 na yan, puli na yan, ibaya, kami na lang yan nabili sa may major award. Yeah, so, gadali na ta. So, aton lang i-forward, diri gamay. Forward natin dito kay akong gidangalan ng lawagon sa ulihi ba. So, i-forward ta. Ibutang ta lang dito banda sa lawagon ng akong ngalan. Hindi dugay, ni matapos kung mabayan ko lang normal lang ang time. So, forward kamay. Then, dugay ba?
Inviting Wonder Woman to representatives. For seventh placer, we have bed number N10075, Miss Texas Lynn Giovanno. Congratulations. May we request a representative from Conbridge to join us here on stage for the awarding.
So, our second placer for female category.
So, ari na, lapit na, ginlawag na to, second to mo ang isa. So, lapit na lang na.
She will receive a Bioderm bag set, a beauty essential for one, fit for bag and cup,
Ako na. So, ari
also
na.
with a certificate and a medal.
Dari na ako na.
Alright, now our first placer for 10 kilometers at the female category is bib number N10071, Miss Epiphany May Gregorio. Congratulations. So,
diba?
our first placer will receive a complete set of
Wala, expect mo first.
fit for bag and cap, an omega and ethyl set, bioderm set, 1 diabetasol, an entersol, a water road pass, and beauty essentials for 2.
Also with a certificate.
Nakasaka mo to sa stage ba? Ay, so, yeah.
Congratulations, everyone. So, moving on to our next category and our last is the male category at the 10 kilometers. Our third placer is bib number N10026, Mr. Gleam Trafalgar. Congratulations.
So, picture kami tatlo. And then, ako dyan. Then, that's it! Bye-bye!